What's up? I hope you're doing good. So it is Monday, June 15th, and in this video, I'll be going over a full live trading session. It'll include two trades that I took, one win, one loss, so we ended up being break even on the day. But this goes over my key levels that I place in the morning before the market opens. Then, my thought process throughout the day, my entry, stop loss, and take profit, and then thoughts after the trade. And yeah, let's get to the screen right now. I hope you enjoy it. So it is Monday, June 15th, and we are looking to trade either SPY, IWM, or QQQ mostly. I will be looking at these stocks I'm holding throughout the day, but for the actual day trading itself, I'm going to be looking at IWM, SPY, and QQQ only. Now, here on my screen here are my graphs. So I'm going to have the SPY on the top left, IWM top right, QQQ bottom left, and I'm going to have my Coinbase on my bottom right, just to see how it's moving. I am holding the stock in shares, no options on it, but it's just nice to see it move, see what it wants to do, keeping stop losses tight. If ever it rejects pretty hard, right? Crypto is very volatile, so you want to be on that so that you don't get, you don't lose all your profits. Now, I'm going to be putting on my key levels for the day. This is what actually my strategy is, where I put in levels where price usually moves more than others, so that if there is a move, I can catch it in time. So I'll go do that, and I'll be right back with you once that's done. Okay, so market is open here. QQQ I had already broken out pre-market, but now we're just watching it, see how it wants to move. We're not in a rush. IBM not really looking at IBM. It's at all-time highs, so a little more tricky. I just want to look at the stocks that I'm holding right now. I'll be opening the brokerage on my phone also, so that I can see the contracts, how they're moving. Want to see how that is doing. So let me just open up, let's say the SPY. Contracts are moving right now. I like the 755. I'll keep looking at it. I want at least a 5-minute to break above, get a little retest, and then we might have an entry. Everything's pretty much green today. Post that Trump did seem to have caused this here. So apparently there's a new deal with Iran. Trump made a new deal with Iran, so let's hope SpaceX up 8% this morning. Okay, so everything's pretty much ripping right now. So SPY, you see our levels here, right? Yes, we are ripping right now, but we do have a good amount of levels that I plotted out. We do have some time. But also at $100, amazing. Should be up about 40% on those shares. Just quickly go check. My Robinhood shares are up 35%. My Coinbase shares are up 14. My Adobe's down 10. My Pfizer's at break even. Okay. But Pfizer's gave me a dividend, 9% dividend, so now we wait, we gotta be quick, but also very patient. QQQ hit our first TP and then kind of reversed down a bit, so our first 5-minute candle is done. Okay, we seem to be breaking levels to the upside here. We're kind of breaking out here. Second key level. Look at the 755 call here. I want to see a break of this level right here. And then a small little retest to it, and then I can catch that move, or I don't know, we are a little bit extended here, so I'm not sure if it really wants to do that, but say volume on the call sides, let's say I'm looking at the contracts right now. The contract volumes are dying out. So I don't know if this means the bulls are done or they're just waiting a bit for some sort of retest or okay, so you see right now it didn't break out there on that second candle, so we're gonna wait, either break on the third one, which would finalize the 15-minute candle, or we wait for that retest there at the 752. Those are the two like kind of things I want to look for right now. Dog, it didn't. Why the fuck didn't it let me buy? Wait, it just did not let me buy. It didn't let me buy. Why? Excuse me? I was trying to buy like 0.60. Trying to buy the QQQ 745 call 0.60. But it didn't let me buy it for some reason. It would be up like 30% right now. I mean, at this point, we're really just playing the patience game, really watching what it wants to do. So far, it's looking like it wants to go up, but you know, we'll wait and see. I really want to have some sort of good entry. I mean, I don't want to enter at the top of my level right here, as you can see. A little, you know, retest on something would be nice, like maybe here. I like to see usually a candle close above and then get the second candle to retest here. It just kind of, you know, zoomed out, but I'm in. Okay, QQQ, I'm in. I'm a little grapple, guys. Okay, so target is I'm entry at 0.51. Wait, let's just send it up to the Discord. What's QQ? Okay, so now what I did is I moved my stop loss basically at break even. I moved the take profit. Oh wait, no, not this. Moved. Sorry. Moved the take profit about here. I want to see that volume step in so that I can get that move. And now we just wait. Now we just wait. It either wants to go up and fill me or not. You know, we'll wait and see. I mean, either be I'm just halting there. It doesn't give me much hope, but. So we just wait. I mean, we just wait for this to, you know, go up. Yeah, that's legit about it. Okay, now I'm gonna put my stop in profit. And I'm gonna put my sell target above highs. So I'm putting my stop loss, or my stop, technically, 18% up in profit. And then I'm putting my TP at the high of the day. Almost just fill their stop there. So if it doesn't, but you know, we're just playing it safe here. We're in profit, so you know, you gotta play it safe. So wait, no. Let's go, volume. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. The charts were recording the actual contract though, so if you find that, you have to do that. That's the visual that we have on here. You see that? So I'm just controlling it through my phone. This is why I use the phone and not the computer. Because you're not able to get the easy stop loss and TP kind of moving, which I enjoy. Now we're stopping. Oh, we're still. Might go into. It was still in profit, but kind of sucks though. I thought this had some potential to go up even more. It really did. Okay. So it did take us out here. I mean, still in profit, but yeah, quick little like 25% gain. That's it, really. Maybe I, helped that a little too close. Profit is profit, right? Profit is profit. Well, that's why we keep a stop here, so that if ever it does reverse, at least we're safe, So SPY right now is at the moving average in the VWAP. I don't know if it wants to bounce here and continue going up, or going back down into our range here, our levels, which should be, here. So right now I'm looking at SPY. I mean, you see how it like closed everything below our key level and didn't necessarily close above. So if it does close above, that might show that we're back to calls though. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Obviously on the 5-minute it didn't. So ideally I want to look at the 15 for that closure above. But like also if it closes above but then closes down up here, it's a little hard to enter here, So it's kind of a little tough situation I'm in. But what I can do is, let's say it does cross that level with some sort of, let's say, volume or whatever, I can enter a very small contract to the 757. Sure, we're a little far from it. Actually, maybe more the 756, but I can just look at that contract, and if we do break out a bit, I can just enter it because it's a $40 contract. There'll be less stress than if it does, let's say, go down or anything, You don't have to enter as much. And this is fine that it has like kind of no volume right now, or like, going back down a bit. This is completely fine. It's completely fine. You know why? Because then we want it to halt a bit so that we can have this 8-minute candle here, or the 15-minute, but this candle close above. This would really be our confirmation if it wants to go up. If it doesn't close above, then maybe we're still, just chopping against between this range. But for now, we're just waiting. So far, it looks pretty good. Just taking our time. We already took a little win on QQQ calls. Obviously, that was very small, but it is what it is, right? We don't have any news today. I had checked it this weekend, but I should have gone over that at the beginning. But we didn't have anything that impacts. I think only on Wednesday we have we're gonna have Fed meeting. There's something else also on Wednesday, but can't remember right now. I have to go check the news again. But anyways, for today, there was nothing important other than Trump tweeting yesterday that he made a deal with Iran. But other than that, nothing really that affects us. 2 minutes left. We're almost entering here soon. Very soon. No, wait. Shit, it's about to stop me out. Actually, it just got stopped out. Okay, I'm actually really surprised by that. I thought that was gonna be like an actual like good setup. Honestly, really surprised by how it's moving right now. Thought there would be a little bit more bullish pressure. Maybe because it moved so much pre-market, but this kind of sucks. It really looks like it wants to go up, but I don't know. With the amount it went up, just gonna leave it as is, and yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. I mean, I guess at least my Coinbase and Robinhood are going up, so made back my losses and much more with that, at least. But still, kind of sucks on the options trade. Okay, so that was the whole trading session. No more trades after that. So like I said, one win and then one loss. So break even on the day. We'll be back tomorrow. We will not be trading on Wednesday just because of the FOMC meeting, and I doubt we'll have any good breakouts. Now, today was not the greatest trading session. In my opinion, I believe it was because we had a massive move pre-market, so all the contracts were already very in their profits. I hope you like these, and I wish you a good day. Thanks. Like and subscribe.